Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. This is ADEXCHAIN, as you all know. I will implore you all to sit upright to watch the next educating and benefiting video, which is going to be showing on your screen right now. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification post to enjoy more benefiting video like this. Peace.
All right, guys, welcome. This is ADEXCHAIN speaking. As you all know, welcome to my YouTube channel. I implore you all to listen good to this brief explanation on Forex, right? Because I have a lot of bunch of DMs about asking me about Forex, because most times, most people might tell most of my students are cryptocurrency traders. So a lot of them have been asking about Forex, FX. And I have some that I've trained already, and I have some that they understand brief explanation about Forex. But with this video that you're gonna watch now, I'm very sure that you will know one or two things about Forex, even though you don't know anything. Or like one or two things, you will know it about Forex. And don't just rely on this video, you have to do more research. Understand? DYOR, do your own research. It's very important. Do more research, do your own research. It's very important in any aspect, in financial marketing, or not only crypto or Forex. In all financial stock, everything, you have to do your own research. It's very, very important. So, guys, first of all, without wasting most of our time, I just have a screenshot here. After that, we're gonna move to video. So first of all, let's move to this place. So about Forex, we said Forex, which is for short form of foreign exchange. Forex, foreign exchange, like exchange between one currency pairs, like one pair to another currency pairs, foreign exchange indices. We have a lot of deep explanation about that. You can just go to Google and press Forex if you want more brief definition and explanation about it. But in brief word, Forex is the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. You understand? Can you see the currencies like Euro, NGN, GPB, CNY, Chinese yen, blah blah blah. Forex or FX in short form, we can call it FX. Forex or FX in short form, right? Is the largest financial market in the world. Yes, largest financial market in the whole world. The FX market is a global decentralized market, like a global decentralized market where the world's currencies change hands. You understand? Where the world's currency change hands. Exchange rates by the seconds, so the market is constantly in flux. So that means like the market moves in seconds before you know, boom, 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 boom. That's what I'm saying. You have to learn very well before you go into Forex, because the way it's highly volatile. You understand? Over $6.6 trillion is traded in volume. $6.6 trillion is traded in volume in a day in the Forex market. Do you know the meaning of that? Over $6.6 trillion, not in your currency, which is naira or any other, but I mean US dollars, like $6.6 trillion is traded in volume in a day. Like $6.6 trillion is traded in volume in a day in the Forex market, which gave you the opportunity, the morale that yes, you can take either your a dollar, $10, 50, $500,000, on $1 million out of this 6.6 trillion. You can make cool profit from it. Just picnic, which can change your life. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, only closing down during um only closing down during the weekend. And you see that? Like crypto, whereby you can trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That no non-stop. You understand? But for the Forex, you can only trade 24 hours a day and 5 days in a week, which is from Sunday night, from Sunday till Monday, till Friday. But we calculate Monday to Friday. Understand? Monday to Friday, 5 days a week, and 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Understand that? So only closing down during the weekend, right? So that's brief explanation. And about Forex pairs, there's a lot of Forex pairs. We have spot metals. Under spot metals, we have XAUSD, popularly known as gold, which is my best pair. Understand? I really love it. Gold. A lot of people used to ask me that, boss, why do you love trading gold? Why do you love trading gold? Like, I understand the currency a lot, and I enjoy trading it. We have XAG, silver, and so on. In indices, we have SPX, we have US 500 index, we have EXEUR, and so on and so forth. On the major forex currency pairs, like the major forex currency pairs are the foreign exchange. The major currency are Euro USD, which is the Euro dollar, Euro and US dollar. We have USD JPY, which is the US dollar and Japanese yen. We have GBP USD, which is the British pounds and US dollar. We have the USD CHF, which is the US dollar and Chinese this is Swiss francs. It's like Chinese fund or something, I guess. We have AUD stroke USD, which is the Australian dollar and US dollar. Understand? And minor forex currency pairs are Euro GBP, Euro CHF, Euro JPY, Euro Japanese yen, Euro British pound, Euro Swiss francs, British pounds, Japanese yen, which is the GBP JPY, CHF JPY, and blah blah blah. And the exotic forex pairs, like pairs that doesn't have they have liquidity also, but they don't really trade them. We have Euro TRY, which is the Euro Turkish Lira. We have USD TRY, USD Turkish Lira. We have the USD MXN, Mexican Peso. We have South Africa, which is the USD ZAR. So those ones are just exotic pairs. Most people don't really trade it. The one you will see most, you will see USD, GBP, USD, USDCH, blah blah blah. You see most those are the major pairs, and we still have more major pairs. We have more minus pairs, and same thing. We have more exotic pairs. But I just draft out 5. You can go and do your own research about that. So that is about forex pairs. That I hope with that you understand what we mean by forex pairs, like exchange currency. Like we should have NGN in my own currency, Nigeria. We are using NGN, which is the naira stroke dollar. You understand? So we can trade them together. We even trade them together. Understand? Like going to an exchange complaint or maybe exchange office to give them your naira. You have a 10,000 naira to collect dollars. So you have to exchange. You have to see the exchange complaint will remove their own profit, which is their percent, and they will give you their exchange rate, which it has been calculated. They will see their own profit and give you your own dollar. You understand? So exchange, that is just add currency. You understand? We call it Beru the change here in Nigeria. So it's just as that is hard currency, that is paper. But in terms of forex, we have intermediary between us, which is the broker. We are still going there. So it's broker that will serve as intermediary. So the next is forex. Okay, yes, these are brokers that will serve as intermediary. Like going to change your dollar, you have $1,000 with you here in Nigeria, which is my country, which you're going to go and give a exchange company. The exchange company is the broker, understand, and give them, you trade it live, you give them your hard currency, which is the $1,000, and collect, if it's, they'll give you their rate, understand, and collect naira, so you can be able to spend in the country you are, which is Nigeria. So instead of that, you can do that online by making money with it, which by doing that, these are brokers, like except from the MT4, MT5, which are software for placing trades. So like OCTAFX, we have EXNESS, we have People Market, we have Superforex, we have FXTM, we have FBS, we have many Forex Time, a lot of them. So brokers, what we mean by brokers are the intermediary between we and the market. Understand? Intermediary between we and the market, like ESCO. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I don't want to waste most of our time. We can just do more research about that. So broker are like exchange where you open account, you deposit, and you get login to your MT4 or MT5 to place trade. Even on your broker, also you can place trade on it. You can do more research about that once you just go online and search for broker. Understand? But majorly about this video, what I just need to do is about how to place trade and so on and so forth. So that is all about broker and how to download. You can just go to your Play Store, App Store, search MT4, which is the best software. Like MT4 is one of the best software, MetaTrader 4, one of the best software to log in your broker. That's what I'm trying to say, like to log in your broker, because it's not always Swift, it's not always making sense to trade on broker direct. So broker will give you login and password to log in inside this place to be able to trade. You understand? To be able to trade swiftly and very clear on software like this. So that is what the work of this is going to do. You're still going to see a video whereby I'm going to explain on how to place trade and everything on this software. So let's move to the next step. Okay, if you once you download the software, you open. Once you press the open button, it will take you to it will open. After opening, you will see, once you open the once you download it, once you open the software, which is the MT4 app, you will see an icon, a plus icon. You can click the plus icon. Once you click the plus icon, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. So as a beginner, I can advise you to open a demo account. You click it, open a demo account. As a beginner, open a demo account to learn first before moving to live account. You understand? You can just open a demo account. After opening the demo account, you see something like this, meta quotes dash demo. You click it and move to somewhere like this. You put your name, put your phone number, put your email address, and type Forex USD. You understand? You want to trade Forex. And leverage is very important. Leverage is the let me say liquidity. Can I call it liquidity, or like the funds, just like liquidity? Understand? More, the leverage allows you to open more more lots, like more price. Understand? To and one thing is, the higher your leverage, the higher your risk. Understand? The higher risk. So I just prefer 1:1 ratio. 100 is still good. You can just open that. But the major thing is how to the calculation of risk management. Leverage doesn't really matter. You can even use high leverage, but the major thing is how to calculate your risk management, because with $50 account with a very high leverage, you can open a very high lot size or high trade whereby you can blow off your account within seconds. And if you know what you are doing, if you believe in the trade, if the trade goes in your favor with just $50, you can flip to 1,000, 10,000. I'll be like, wow, how that's a work of leverage. Like leverage allows you to open more huge lots, like huge with just more capital. Leverage will allow you to open more lots or big lots, but it's very risky, because if your capital is low and leverage is high and you open big lots on small accounts and the trade go against you, you can blow up the account within seconds. So you have to be careful. That's why risk management is still the key. Leverage, you can use big leverage, but risk management is the key. So after that, you see something like this, your login, you can write it down somewhere, your password, write it down somewhere. But investor password, that you can even show that. It's because I've cleared it, I would have shown you. Investor password, anywhere you see investor password is for people, like is a password you can give out for people to log in into your account to track your trade, but they can't place trade, they can't do anything, but they can track your trade. So you can give them your login and investor password. Is possible you can give that out, but normal password is not, it's just only for you, it's private. Understand? But the investor password can be given out because it's for investors, like investors to maybe, for instance, you were giving maybe for instance you were giving a company gave you $1 million to trade for them. So, and you don't want any mistake whereby you give the company the login to trade, so that the company won't mistakenly go and place trade. So you can just give them the login and the investor password. The investor password only allow people to track your record, but they can't place trade. They can just log in and track record, but they won't be able to place trade, but they'll be seeing your record, that you are buying, you are selling, you are making $1 million, you are making this, you are losing this, but they can't place trade. So that's the safety of that's the importance of investor password. That's why I call investor, for people that invest in you. Understand? You can give them the password, but the personal password is just for you, so that anybody will not just enter your account and place trade and blow off your money. So that's it. So that's what you need to know about this. And you can just, this is a demo account, like a practice account for beginners that you can open to learn. Understand? To learn more. And once you log in, you see your account like this. You see your funds. I requested for $100,000, and this is my login, and this demo, blah blah blah. So this is how it's going to be. And now, how to add and delete peers is where we are going to after you log in. How to add and delete peers. So first of all, once you have logged in, once you have opened the account, this is how it's going to be. You understand? Or maybe once you open an account, or once you log in account, a broker, this is how it's going to be. So you will press the add button or the pencil icon here. You can press any one of them. Once you press, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. You can search for symbol that is not there, because not in the previous one year, not all symbols are there. So here you can just search for the symbol. Let's assume that there's no XAUSD here. You can just come here and search for it and bring it out and click it and add it. Understand? So that anytime you want to go into the place trade on that pair, you won't be finding it. So you just add it down. So you can do that. And if you want to delete any pair that I don't like, you can just come to the pencil icon. That pencil icon I show you here, click it. And once you click it, you can just come here, click the delete button and tick any of the pair you want to delete and delete it from there. But if you want to get it back, you just go back and add it again. So it's not that once you delete it's gone. No. So how to place trade is where we are going to now. How to place trade. First of all, if you want to place trade, once you have add your pair out, so like now I've add the XAUSD, can you see that the down at the down corner here? So you click it. Once you click the trade, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. It's going to bring out, it's going to pop out something like this. A new order, open charts, symbols, properties, simple view mode. You don't need all this. The major thing you need in this place is new order. Once you click the new order, it's going to take you somewhere like this. Why I drew this thing out is for people to understand what I'm trying to say here. That's why I drew this thing out. Where is it? Okay, this place. So in this kind of place, what you need is, first of all, your lot size. You have to, because this the next thing is how to place trade. Once you click the new order, so what you need now is your lot size, your stop loss, your take profit, and either buy or sell. You understand what I'm trying to say now? Let me go there again. Your lot size, like, can you see how it goes? It goes from the lot size to the stop loss first, take profits, and buy, sell or buy or sell. Anyone the signal is giving you, or anyone the trade is is saying you should do, maybe from your setup or from signal, any signal, either my signal or any signal you get. So that is all for that. So now the next thing is, I will do a video. The next video you're gonna watch is a video of how to place trade and everything. So this is just a brief explanation about how to place trade. So the next one is proper risk management, which is very important one. Proper risk management using calculator. Know when you are know what you are risking per trade. Know when to exit and take a break. Just let me start from know when to exit and take a break. Like, one thing about Forex is, once you're okay with profit, like, okay, now you place a trade, you are risking $50, and you see that you are up $70 or $100. You say, wow, I've made 100% or 120%. Just let me take it out. I'm okay. If you are okay, exit. Don't be greedy. Know when to exit. Know when to stop. That I'm okay. And know when to take a break. Let's assume that you have made some back-to-back 3 times profits this within a day or 2 days. You can just say, I'm not trading against the next week or next month if you are okay with the profit. So know when to exit and know when to take a break. It's very important in Forex. Like, market is not fucking everybody father. It's not your great grandfather. It doesn't respect any fucking body. So immediately you see that you make cool profit, know when to exit and know when to take a break. It's very important to know that. If not, market will take all your profit back. Even though you are making me, I've seen someone that have grown account of $1,000 to $10,000 and lost all the $10,000 with the capital and everything back to the market. Because why? He doesn't know when to exit and he doesn't know when to take a trade. No, sorry, he know when to exit, but he doesn't know when to take a break, because you have started this account from $1,000 within a week or two, we flipped it to $10,000, a account of $1,000. And by then you should withdraw your funds, maybe 9,000, 5,000 to enjoy yourself. So the person know when to exit, but the person did not know when to take a break. He paid the guy, and later the guy reconcile and start and how to encourage him and give him some explanation about taking break. He's a very good guy in Forex, but that only makes psychological level very high again. Psychology is very, very important. Your psychological level, you have to know how to train it. Like, understand what I'm trying to say? Know how to control your emotions. It's very important. It's not easy when you lose money, but you have to like make sure you know how to control your emotion. If not, you keep losing in the market and you be like, the market is not favoring me. I'm not doing this again. It's not for me. No, make sure you train your psychological level. It's very important. So that's it. So the major thing about which is the using calculator, knowing knowing what you are risking per trade, all those ones are going to be on OCTAFX, like they are going to that's going to be done on OCTAFX. So just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned and kindly wait patiently for the next video you're going to see now that's going to show your screen. The next video that's going to show your screen is not image anymore, it's video on how you can place trade, or how you can calculate your proper your risk, what you're going to risk, how you can calculate your risk management before you enter a trade, before you place a trade like signal, blah blah blah. You cannot just say signal, just say let me open this trade with one lot. No, like how to calculate before you enter trade, before you open. You understand? So that's very important thing about Forex. I know that once you get that, you understand, you will understand what risk management and important role risk management really plays in this Forex space. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ADEXCHAIN, and turn on notification is very, very important. Like very, very important. It really, really helped and support me. Understand? So it will help you to get the video first, so that I'll be doing more educating video like this, because it's going to continue. It's not going to stop here. Like you're going to see more videos, more videos. It's like a tutorial. So more videos, more video you watch, more understanding you're going to be. The more video you watch, the more understanding, the more widen you are going to be, and you are going to be into the Forex or crypto space. Can you see this ADEXCHAIN, this Bitcoin? Understand, to Bitcoin, to Forex, stock, everything. The goal is to get paid. The goal is to get paid legitimately. Don't forget, legitimately. So I think that's all for now for this. And what you just need to do now is to stay tuned, sit upright, to watch the next video carefully to understand how to place trades and so on and so forth. I think that's the end for this video right now. Have a wonderful weekend. I hope all of you have a wonderful weekend, and let's plan ahead for the next week to trade, understand, to make money, to kill the market again. So have a wonderful weekend, guys. Peace. Addition of you. So sit upright to watch the next video, which is going to teach you how to place trade, proper management, and all. So, and any question you have, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much, guys. This is ADEXCHAIN one more time. Peace. All right, guys. So, before moving to the next explanation, which is the risk management, first of all, let's check some features here on our MetaTrader 4, which is the MT4. And note, everything that is done here is same thing that is going to be applicable on the MetaTrader 5. So I won't be explaining that because not wasting much of our time. So you can just do the same on the MetaTrader 5. Everything you learned in the MetaTrader 4 here. So first of all, let me just do a brief explanation on this. we have market execution, we have buy limit, we have sell limit, we have buy stop, we have sell stop, right? So these are always useful. Yeah, anything, all these limit stop, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop are like pending order. You understand? So they are used for pending orders. Let's assume that okay, you want to enter a trade, you want to buy, you want to sell at this point 19, you want to sell around 1948.15 when market is hasn't got to the price. So you can just set, if it's selling, you can just sell, you can just set sell limit at that price, or sell stop. Let's say sell limit, you put the price you want to sell. That okay, once you get to this price, so maybe 2,000, you want to sell. You understand? So even though you are asleep, immediately the price got there, it's going to sell automatically. Understand? And even if it's sell stop also, maybe around, it depends on the market. You understand? You see that the place order is not showing, it depends on the market. So that's when you can use it. So once you see a signal, maybe I posted a signal and I say sell or buy this market. So first of all, you have to check the market, whether market price is at that place. If market price at that around that range where I say you should sell or buy, you can just go for market execution. That one will execute the market immediately. Like you can sell and buy immediately. Once you press that, that one will activate immediately. You will buy immediately and you sell immediately. That is market execution. But buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop are for pending orders. That okay, once market or once prices to so amount you want to sell, or once prices get to so amount you want to buy. Once you reach, or once you get to so amount you want to sell or you want to buy. You understand? So that is for that. Like for instance now, sell stop, sell limit, you be like the same thing, sell, buy limit, buy stop, sell limit. What's the difference? The difference is, for instance, limit. Let's say for instance you want to buy, let's say the market is below the price you want to buy. The market is below the price you want to buy. So you have to use buy limit. But if the market is above the price you want to buy, you understand what I'm trying to say? Let's assume that the market is above the price you want to buy. So you have to use either sell limit or what am I even saying? Sorry. I mean, if the market is above the price you want to buy or below the price you want to buy, so that is where the buy limit or buy stop used to work. And if the market is above the price you want to sell, or the price you want to the price is above the price you want to sell, or below the price you want to sell, so that is when the sell limit or sell stop will work. So once while you put in the price, you will know by then. So that is just a brief explanation about the sell limit, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. So let's assume that okay, after downloading the app, once you go to OctaFX, this is how it's going to show you. You understand? This is how it's going to be. So you don't even need to register. If you don't want to register, if you don't have time to register, you can register and patronize the broker. Is a very good broker also. You can just click on try demo. You see try demo, just click on try demo. Immediately click on try demo. You see the icon at the top left corner. At the top left corner, the three icon there, you can just click it. Immediately you click those icons, you see when I say demo, they will give you demo account for training. But that's not the major thing we downloaded this app for. Understand? I'm just using it as an explanation. I've been using it on my other device very, very well for a long time. When I register, I deposit, I trade with the broker. They are very legit. So once you click the icon, you scroll down to where you will see, okay, it's already here, where you see profit calculator. Profit calculator. So you click the profit calculator. The profit calculator is the major thing we downloaded this app for. You understand? In this tutorial, the major thing we want to use for explanation in this place is the profit calculator, to calculate your risk before you enter trade. A lot of newbies don't understand forex very well. You have to calculate before you enter, because if you don't calculate, if you don't know your risk, you will just blow up account. So you go to your pair, which my favorite pair which I'm trading is also SAUSD. I trade other pair if I like, but my favorite pair, my best pair that a lot of people even know me I trade, is XAUSD. So I've gotten there. Immediately I get to the pair I need to trade, I scroll down and I've seen it XAUSD, which is the gold. I click on the pair. So now what you just need here is the lot, the open price and the close price. Understand? You have edit your symbol, which is the the XAUSD. So what is needed now is the lot. What is needed now is the lot and the open price and the close price. So what you just need to do is minimize and go to maybe the channel where the signal is posted. You understand? Any channel, whether my channel, whether anywhere you see the signal. But as for me, most times I post my signal like this, and most times I detail it out whereby you will see the entry and everything. So you just click at the link. Can you see? You click at the link. You click at this, it will take you to somewhere like this or a website or something. So immediately take you to somewhere like this. This is the trade. For a professional trader that's only seeing this chart only, they know what to do. As a professional trader, seeing this chart only, they know what to do. They have seen the entry, they have seen the exits. They can just execute their trade by themselves. But as a newbie, you can just come down, see what did I say? I said sell stop XAUSD around 1975.96. So first of all, before just bouncing to the market, what you first need to get in this information is I said sell, right? Is selling. I said you should sell the market. So you go to your profit calculator, make sure it's under sell, right? You have to do this thing fast. Most times the market don't wait, so you have to be very fast. But due to this tutorial, I'm just doing it gradually. So make sure your button is around sell, not on buy, but around sell. You see sell. So once you have put it there, you see the price. I say sell. I say you should sell around 1975.96. 1975.96. 1975.96. So the open price is the selling the price I said you should sell at. So the close price is where you will be. The close price now is where you always input your stop loss and take profit. But for now, you want to calculate your loss first. So I said stop loss at 1983.10. So you input your 1983.10, your stop loss there. So you just come to the lot size that okay, if you use one lot size, how much are you going to, you press calculate. So if I use one lot size on this trade, I'm going to lose $714, and your account is $100. So how possible, how are you not going to blow off account if this trade didn't go out well? So immediately if you see this kind of thing, be like, you can't lose. My account is, my balance, my capital is $100, and so if I use one lot size, I'll be losing $700. So what I'll just do is I will reduce it like 0.5. That's 357. But as a experienced person, what you just do is okay. Let's say 0.1. You understand? Okay, 0.1, $71. Okay, in your capital of $100, can you afford to lose $71? No, 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 I can't afford to lose it because that's 70% of my account. That is too much. So I want to risk like $10. So I will just reduce the lot size. Okay, this 40, I'll still reduce it. Okay, this 21, I'll still reduce it to like 0.02. Okay, this 14 is still fair. If I can't lose that, if I can't afford to lose, I can still reduce it. So this is the lowest loss, the lowest lot size, which is 0.01. So I can afford to lose $7. So if I lose $7, I will know that my account is still safe. I'll wait for another signal or I'll wait for another setup. So that's how to calculate trade. So you can just go back to your account and go back to your Forex, your page like this, your MT4, where your page is, and you use the lot size you need, and you will input. I say sell stop. If the market is already around the price, around the range, what you just do is check your stop loss 1983.10 and input it 1983.10 and just sell the market immediately. Just press the sell button. But if the market hasn't gotten to the price I said you should sell, check it and say I said sell stop. So you check it at, as you check the price and see 1975.96. So you go to the market, you click the market execution and choose sell stop and input the price I said you should sell, which is 1975.96. So 1975.96. Then you will just place your order. But as for now, it's saying that the price is already below, the price is market is already below the price I want to sell at. So you just, I know that by that, in that kind of case, the sell limit that will work. So you just change it to sell limit. So you see that when I change it to sell limit, it asked me to place. The place button show, but once it's at sell stop, the place button was blur. Can you see it? The place button was blur. But once I change it back to sell limit, the place button showed. So that means sell limit at work. So far is sell. So you can use sell limit, sell stop in any market, in any time. Once you see the market is sell, once you see the instruction is sell, so you can use sell limit or sell stop anytime, any day. But the major thing is the market is saying sell, the instruction is saying sell, and same thing applicable to buy, vice versa. Once you see that the signal or the instruction is giving buy, so you can either use buy limit or buy stop anytime, buy limit or buy stop, or instant, or market execution. That one is you want to sell immediately, you see that the price is already between the range. So that is the brief explanation. And if you have any question, just go down to the comment section below and ask your question. I'll be glad to answer you. This is a beginner YouTube video, free beginner video, at least to help beginners to understand basics in forex. So that is all for proper risk management, I guess. And you place your trade. I get that is just it. That is just what you need. And let's assume that, let's do some calculation. Let's assume that, okay, you have a $5,000 account, which is huge. $5,000 is huge. So you are willing to risk, let's say, $100 per trade. You understand? You are willing to risk $100. So let's calculate. Let's use, okay, if we use one lot, okay, $700. No, 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 no. I'm not risking 700. Let's say 0.3. No, I'm not risking 200. Let's use 0.23. Okay, 164. No, you can just reduce it to like 0.15. Okay, 107. Let's reduce it again. 99. Okay, now this is approximately $100. So if you are risking $100 on your $5,000 account, you can just go, you go to your MT4 and go and put 0.14. You can input it for very fast imputation. You can just press it, or if you see that you don't have time, you want to press the button, you can use the button, the minus and plus button there. So you put it and you will place your order. And once and make sure your profit, your stop loss and take. So if you want to calculate your take profit, you know that this will give you stop loss. Okay, you want to reach 99 point, that is approximately $100. So let's now check the trade. I said TP1, target one is okay. Let's say if the market now reach target one, which is 1968.75. So you just in your close price also, that's where you put it. You edit it 1968.75. 1968.75. So now it's showing me that I'll make $100. This means if target one hits, I'll be making 100%. I'm doing practical with the last trade I dropped last week. So you can see how how huge some people make profit last week, and how huge the last trade we made last week, which is on Friday, with the which the NFP news was occurred, which NFP news occurred also, which goes in our favor. You understand? Which give us massive profit. So you should know how effective NFP news is, non farm payroll. So that is another knowledge for another day. But for now, for beginners, you don't need that. So that is that. So 19. So if the price get to our first target, that means you'll be making $100. That is 100% of what you are risking, which is okay. Which you can even close your trade and say, yes, I'm okay, 100%. I make 100% profit. Like, do you know the meaning of making 100% profit within just minutes or seconds or hours? Like 100%, that is huge. And you can be decide to be like, okay, I want to take profit around target 2, which is 1961.65. Let's input it, 1961.65. So I'll be making 200 profit. Wow, I'm risking $100 to make, so that's crazy profit. Let's assume that, and we did all TP hit on that last trade we did last Friday. So 1954.30. Let's say you want to take out around 1954.30. Wow, that is 300. So you'll be good. Just imagine last week you took a trade risking $100. The last trade we did on Friday, the last trade I did, the last signal I gave on Friday, which is on Friday, the last trade I gave, which is on Friday, which is the last trade of the week. So let's assume you risk $100 on that trade last week. You'll be making a whopping $303. Can you see? 300%. over, and the trade did over 300%. So that is from our stop loss entry and everything. So that is how to calculate your risk management before you enter your trade. But the major thing is, once you calculate, because the market don't wait sometimes, before you do calculation, you just see that it has hit entry and the market has started moving into the direction that was given. So what you just need is your stop loss. Just immediately you put your entry, your stop loss 1983.10, you are risking $100. So immediately you put your stop loss, just go and input it in your broker immediately, in your MT4 immediately. Once you input it, just place it. So later you can go and edit the trade and put your take profit. But immediate effect, you put your, because the major thing in trading is entry and stop loss. Once you enter a trade, the major thing, like the first thing you have to think is stop loss. Is very important, because if you don't use stop loss, you think you have $5,000 account and it may be all your life savings, you can wipe everything without stop loss. If there is news, or maybe if the market just go against you, immediate effect, you can just see that, wow, your 1 million or 2 million is gone within seconds. So stop loss really really help in case of market condition, in case of even broker. There are some, if broker is manipulated. So look at how Oanda was manipulated. Is it not last week? Yes, last week it was manipulated with different spikes, which it doesn't occur in the general market, but the broker was just manipulated. So that kind of thing, stop loss will really help you, because sometimes the broker won't do anything and you are lost, your funds will be gone. But in most cases, stop loss will help you in that case. So that is all for proper risk management, because that is the major that is the major thing you need to learn about proper risk management. Once you learn this very well about proper risk management, that is just all. And you can how to close trade. You can be doing video of that maybe once the markets go live. Once I go live for my trade, you can be doing the video of that later. But this is what you just need to know, because a lot of people in my DM, they don't know how to use signal, they don't know how to trade, they are beginners in forex trading. So I guess this will really really help and go a long way. So that is all for that. I guess this is Addison speaking once again. Thank you very much and peace.